Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In Writing Task 2 series, today we'll be doing problem and solution essay. But before moving ahead, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Right? Let's get started. How does this kind of essay look? It's very simple. You'll be given a statement which will be discussing or telling you about some kind of problem for which you're asked to find the causes and to tell the solutions. It's quite easy to identify. A typical example is internet shopping is becoming popular nowadays, but it is not always a trouble free experience. State some problems and provide the measures to address them. In this, when you read the statement, you can make out that the main topic is internet shopping. For the problem is that it is not a trouble-free experience. Few problems they are attached to it. Now you are asked to give some of these problems and the solutions to rectify them, right? The keyword here is internet shopping. And now we'll find out the keyword synonyms. Like online shopping, cyber shopping, e-commerce, e-tail, purchasing from portals and websites, it's very important to write down the keyword synonyms then and there only, because this will help you while expanding your essay. Once you know what is the main topic statement, what are you talking about, and what you have to answer, now you plan your essay. How will you plan? You will find out what the question is. You have to tell the problems and the solutions. You list the problems in one side and you write down the solutions of those problems on the other side. And this will give you the draft, the raw draft to expand your essay. All right. In this case, let's state the list of problems. First is related to money, which may be data breach or the hidden costs, right? Then related to service qualities, product quality, and delayed deliveries. For solutions, you need to be smart while paying. You should shop from the trusted sites. You should know the return policies and check with the customer care in case you have any doubts and double check the delivery informations. So this is the overdraft, the draft rather, the raw structure of what I'm going to write down in this essay, right? So now we have everything and let's start with the essay. My basic structure will be same: introduction, BP1, BP2 and finally the conclusion. Introduction. Introduction provides the overview of the problem and the reason of its existence. It means you have to talk about the topic statement or the main topic and why those problems are there, right? In this kind of essays. For example, I have told you here the topic is internet shopping, and I have to say that there are some problems associated to it, right? I'm telling you, more and more people are opting for online shopping these days owing to the ease of comparing wider range of products and their prices in lesser time and get a better bargain. But this brings its own array of difficulties. This essay describes such issues and ways to deal with them. Right. In the first line, I have talked about internet shopping and its benefits. Why is it becoming popular? In next sentence, I have told that there are few problems associated with it. And finally, in the last line of introduction paragraph, I have told that in the coming paragraphs, I am discussing these issues and the ways to deal with them. Right. Then let's move to body paragraph 1. To write on body paragraph 1, you go back to the problems which you have listed during the brainstorming and you compile them in a paragraph. You have to take care of the paragraph structure. It's very important, right? Paragraph structure can be you state the problem, you elaborate it briefly, and you state an example of it. And then comes the second. Repeat means you state the second problem, its elaboration, its explanation, and finally its example. And you end this body paragraph with one closing statement. This is quite a nice paragraph structure to score higher in IELTS. For body paragraph 2, you have to do the same. but this time you'll be listing and explaining the solutions, right? And finally comes the conclusion. It means summarize your essay. In conclusion, what you have to do is you have to give the overview of the essay. You have to tell about the internet shopping, about the problems and the solutions, right? You have to touch all of them so that after reading the conclusion, if anybody has not read about the other paragraphs, the examiner may come to know what all is in the above paragraphs. What all are you writing down? All right. So this is the basic problem solution essay paragraph. I'm not providing you with BP1, BP2 and conclusion paragraphs because I want you to write it down and practice it, right? But as promised, and as always, I'm providing you with the vocabulary words for this kind of essay. To add the ideas, you should say further, furthermore, moreover, besides, in addition to, equally important is. Then to contrast the ideas, you can say on the other hand, however, instead, conversely. To state an example, you can say for example, such as, for instance, as revealed by, and so on. And you may start your introduction with it's undeniable, it has become increasingly popular, one of the widely discussed issue is. So these are the few opening phrases which you can use while writing down your paragraph. To state the problem, you can say one of the principal issue is this. You can state the problem ahead. Then for solution, you can say to tackle this or to address this problem. This way you can start with your solutions. And finally, for the conclusion, it's to sum up, to summarize, or all things considered, this. So all these are the vocab words which you can use to develop your own paragraph. I hope it was really helpful to you, and keep practicing, stay motivated, stay tuned, keep watching. Good luck, guys.